Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Youthman. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of Klipsch's brand new from the Reference Premier series, the RP-8060FA. Now these are the Dolby Atmos enabled floor standing speakers. So we're going to get these out of the box and we're going to check them out. But before we get into the video, if you're into home theater, audio and video, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get this unboxed here. So typically with floor standing speakers especially, what I like to do is unbox the top. We're going to flip this thing upside down and then pull the box off the, like kind of from the bottom. So I'll show you how to do that. Now you can do it any way you want to. Just over the years, to me, that's what seems to work pretty well. I'm really excited to hear these and get them set up because Klipsch came out with the RP, or the Reference Premier series, a couple years ago, and then they just came out with this version of it. So this is like the second version of that series, and I've been looking forward to hearing them. Klipsch was going to send me the original ones, but then they decided, well, let's just wait since we've got a brand new series coming out. So up here on the top, we've got our owner's manual. Yeah, so not much in there. We'll lay that off to the side. And then what we're going to do with this, because you've got styrofoam on the top, my recommendation is leave the styrofoam on. Put that back in there like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to lay it down, flip it upside down, and pull the box off the top. Alright, so now what we're going to do is just lay it down. I always fold this in. So most of the time I don't have somebody helping me. So when you have a speaker that's 60, 70, 80, sometimes even 100 pounds, this is the easiest way to do it by yourself. So take your hand, put it down against the base of it here to keep it from falling out. Lift it up. Just like that. Right. So I see that Klipsch has stepped up their packing a little bit on this. Typically they don't have these middles. In the past on a lot of their floor standing speakers they'll have a base and then a top cap. But this is really nice. It helps protect the speaker. That's really good. They did that with the RC64 version 3. I remember taking these off. So it looks like what's going to happen. Klipsch has these new, I'll take this here just to show you. So this has these new feet. So as you can see, they kind of angle out. So we're probably not going to be able to slide this up. So we're going to need to get the speaker upright and then we can bring it off the top. So get those corner pieces out of the way. It's just taped on there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull this down. That way it doesn't get stopped. We're going to go up against its backside. Just like that. Alright. Spin it around a little bit. Take off the top. And then these will just slide probably all the way off. Yep. That. Alright, you guys ready to see? Alright. Check that out. First time I get to see Reference Premier series. Alright, so we got the first one unboxed. I'm not going to bore you with unboxing the other one, but I do want to show you a new trick that'll help you unbox it a little bit quicker. All you have to do is snap your fingers. That's how you do it the Youthman way. Alright guys, so we're going to get some close-up shots, take a look at the different sides of it, look at the Atmos up here, and just check out some specs. So let's dive into it. Alright, so before we get into the specs, a lot of you guys, and even myself included, we've seen photos of these online, and the new Klipsch Reference Premier Series has the new gold rings. Some guys say, man, I love the bling. Other guys say, I'm not feeling it. A lot of times I've found things take some time to get used to, so I'm curious to see what these look like in person. So we're going to check this out for the very first time together. I've never seen these in person, so here we go. Woo! Check it out. Okay, I like this. I like that. Hang on, I'm going to back up. I like that a lot. Okay guys, this looks super, super classy. I'll be honest with you. Like, this is classy. I wasn't sure, like I said, when you see it online, part of you says, it's kind of cheesy. It looks slick, guys. Because to me, it's really subtle. Like this rim, this ring here is really, really thin. So it's not like bold and just kind of out there, but it really ties in the black and the copper with the drivers. Man, guys, I'm digging this. They look sweet. All right, let's take a look at the specs. Let's check out the speakers. Okay, so right on the top, there's a little notch back here. Now it's pretty tight fit. You just lift up. And that slides out of the way. Okay, so there you have the unboxing and the overview of the Dolby Atmos enabled Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8060FA speakers. Now the RP-8060FA speakers are designed so that you do not have to cut holes in your ceiling or mount and run wire for in-ceiling Dolby Atmos speakers. These are super easy because all you have to do is plug in 2 sets of speaker wires, which we'll do in a future video, show you how to set it up, get it configured with your receiver, and you're up and running. Well guys, that's going to wrap up another video. I've got a ton more videos coming with the Reference Premier series. We've got to do a lot of unboxing as well as overviews for them, and then get them hooked up, show you how to calibrate it, and get it set up in your system so that you can have a 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos Klipsch Reference Premier system. Now if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel so that you don't miss any future videos. And as always, you guys be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video.